Today we're going to be showing you how to download Exam4 on a Windows operating system. Open Chrome first. Next, you're going to go to the Exam4 website. Look up the institution, Georgetown, MSB. You're going to want to go select Georgetown University, McDonough School of Business. Under the name field, input your correct first and last name and your Georgetown email address. Select the operating system of your computer and click Continue. Click the Download Exam for Windows 11 button or whatever operating system you're using. Open it in Downloads and click it to begin the download. The Exam4 installer will open up on your computer. You click I agree to the terms, then install. Once this window opens up, you simply click Finish. Then Exam4 itself will open up. You're going to click Prepare to Start New Exam, Next, and then under the Exam ID field, you just type your name, confirm it, and then for the course, your professor will have told you what exam number will be the correct one to select. So you're going to do that and then click Next.